What is your home in 2024 without a Ring camera? Aren't you tired of individuals knocking on your door without you being able to see who's behind that knock? Time has come for me to put you onto the plug. AVI SmarthomejA can solve your problem in just one purchase. Some extraordinary features about this Ring camera is that its battery is removable and rechargeable. The camera is also equipped to hardwire. It is a two-way talk, meaning we can communicate both ways. You can have a live view of the person whom you are talking to, as well as it has night vision. Make your life easier today with our Ring doorbell camera from AVI SmarthomejA. We are located at 5 to 7 Little Box Field, Ocherius, famously known as Chuck's Plaza. Watch this demonstration on how the Ring camera is operated. Our contact numbers are 309-1455 and 215-6034. That's 309-1455 and 215-6034.